Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into a flat art illustration. It's super easy, no complicated editing, and completely free. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the Play Store and then download an app called Dreamface. And if you already have it, just open the app. And if this is your first time, you can quickly log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface actually gives you free weekly credits, so you can generate a limited number of images or videos without paying anything. Next, once you're logged in, you will see the home page. The home page like this. And then from here, just tap on AI filter. And then on the new area file, just search for flat art. This one, just tap on it. This is the filter that transforms your photo into a modern minimal illustration style. It's perfect for profile pictures, poster, or just for fun. Next, just choose the photo that you want to transform. This can be a selfie, a portrait, or even an object. And then after selecting, just tap on animate. And okay, like this, Dreamface automatically generate a flat art version from your photo for you like this. And okay, that's it. You now have your very own flat art image. You can save it to your gallery and then you can share it to your social media. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!